Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to schedule TikTok post. So first of all, you have to open up a web browser. Now, on your web browser, you have to search for tiktok.com. Then, you have to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will see a interface like this. On this interface, you have to click on the upload button. Once you click on upload, a new menu will appear right in front of you. So in this menu, you have to click on select video. Then select the video that you wish to upload on your TikTok. So for example, I will be using this one. So now as you can see, the video is ready to be uploaded. First of all, I can enter the description of my video that can serve as a main title. Then on the cover section, you can enter a thumbnail or a cover photo. Then you can also enter the location of your post. For example, if you want to show your friends where you are and where are you filming this video, then you can use this feature. After that, you have to go to the when to post section. Now, in the when to post section, you have to click on schedule. Now as you can see, a timer and a calendar has appeared on my screen. So from the timer, I can select the exact time when I want my video to be uploaded. And from the date or the calendar, I can select the date at which I want my video to be uploaded. So for example, this is the time that I'm choosing. Now once you are done with that, you have to click on schedule and you will be able to easily schedule your post on TikTok. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.